Good day, my name is Ian Coffey with IBN Immigration Solutions Namibia, and today we will be discussing MICE visas. So what exactly are these MICE visas that everyone is talking about? Well, to make it very simple, it is a special visa for individuals wishing to attend meetings, incentive trips, conferences or exhibitions within Namibia. Now, in some instances in the past, it was needed for these individuals to be on a short-term work permit. In this case, it's no longer the case. We have made special provision for all of our professional individuals and delegatees coming to Namibia to come and do a bit of corporate tourism, all while having the freedom of the MICE visa. So let's discuss the MICE visa in a bit more detail. You can apply for the MICE visa on the Ministry of Home Affairs e-portal, and it will take less than 15 minutes. A few of the items that you might need are passport photos, some itinerary, and maybe travel insurance. After which you'll be issued with a digital visa and a QR code. Once you've got this, you are ready to attend your next business meeting in Namibia. But there is a catch. Recently, reports have surfaced that there's also an event number needed. And as of current, if you haven't entered the event number, you could not progress through the stages to get your visa. As a good colleague of mine recently said, just because something is broken, we don't need to criticize it. But I truly believe that we need to step up and fix this as quickly as possible in order for us to attract all foreign talent to our Namibian country, for them to see what we have to offer. I wish all the best of luck with the MICE visas, and please feel free to reach out to us if you need any assistance. Thank you very much.